Manhattan Recipe. An easy recipe for a Manhattan, a classic cocktail that is believed to date back to the late 1800s. It's made with a bracing mixture of bourbon or rye whiskey mixed with sweet vermouth and a dash of aromatic bitters. Ingredients: A. 2 fluid ounces rye whiskey. B. 1/2 fluid ounce sweet vermouth. C. 1 dash Angostura bitters. D. 1 cup ice cubes. E. 1 maraschino cherry. Directions: 1. Gather all ingredients. 2. Combine whiskey, vermouth, and bitters in a cocktail mixing glass. Add ice and stir until chilled. 3. Strain into a chilled cocktail glass and garnish with a maraschino cherry. 4. Enjoy! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.